Hello, doctors. Hello, everyone. And today I will be telling you the high yield topics for medicine uh, for NEET PG 2021, starting from CVS. So, ECG, most important, at least one question expected. Particularly important, STMEI versus NSTMEI, changes in the electrolyte imbalances, arrhythmias, PSVT, afibrillation, atrial flutter, and a ventricular fibrillation. Now, also RHD, MS, MR, AS, AR with murmurs and management, pericardial diseases, MI with particular management, and infective endocarditis. Also remember Duke's criteria. Also remember Jones criteria, classification of shock, and approach-based questions based on clinical questions on shock are most expected this year. Now respiratory, so approach to PFT, DLCO, and volume curves very important. Pneumoconiosis, particularly asbestosis and HSP, pulmonary embolism. The two things are most commonly asked: approach and radiology. Sarcoidosis, the diagnostic features are very important, and ARDS, the criteria, the ventilation basics. These are the very important that can be asked from the respiratory this year. Now, nephrology, so AKI, acute kidney injury criteria and biomarkers, CKD, manifestations and stages, and glomerulonephritis, most important, very important in nephrology. So, do study it, and renal tubular acidosis. So, the differences between all the types of renal tubular acidosis are most expected this year to be asked. Now, gastro, approach to malabsorption, inflammatory bowel disease, CD versus UC, very important, and versus GI TB. So, intestinal TB is also very important, so don't leave it. And extra intestinal manifestations. Now, viral, alcoholic, autoimmune hepatitis criteria and differences. Now, also acute pancreatitis, revised Atlanta classification, and criteria and management of acute pancreatitis is most important. Now, rheumatology, so vasculitis, Chapel Hill classification, most important. SLE, systemic sclerosis, RA, gout, Behçet's disease, Wilson's disease, and hemochromatosis. These are the very important some topics, high yield topics in medicine. Now, endocrine, pituitary adenoma, Sheehan syndrome, lymphocytic hypophysitis, and galacturia, amenorrhea syndrome, disorders of calcium metabolism, man syndromes, all type of man syndromes, and diabetes management, and MODY to be done with pharmacology. So mostly the drugs are important. So if you when you will study diabetes, study with pharmacology and all that classification, all the type of drugs included in that. And now neurology, so specific EEG changes, stroke approach, management and window, epilepsy, you have to study the causes, management. Also study this with the pharmacology because some of the drugs are difficult to remember, so it will be easy for you. Dementia and movement disorders, so management, this is also is done to be needed to be done with pharmacology. Multiple sclerosis, ADEM, and myasthenia gravis is very important, so don't leave it. Now the fluid imbalance, from so metabolic acidosis, metabolic alkalosis, respiratory acidosis and alkalosis, hypercalcemia, hyperkalemia. These are the topics which are very important, and every year two to three clinical questions or straight away questions are asked from these fluid imbalance disorders. So be thorough with it and study every disorder carefully, and also solve around 20 to 30 or more if you can do MCQs of these topics. So you can't be you can solve them quick because there is lack of time and when you are facing the exam, and don't do them wrong. So these are the important topics, high yield topics for medicine in you should prepare for NEET PG 2021. Stay tuned. I will be coming up with more high yield topics of every subject soon. So if you have any doubt, you can comment below in the comment box. Thank you.